Are you searching for the perfect place to invest in your future? A century away from the hustle and bustle, yet connected to all the essentials. We understand the challenges of finding a secure and serene environment for your family, where safety, accessibility, and quality infrastructure come together seamlessly. Welcome to our premium land and building estate in Asokore Extension, Guzape. Situated gracefully on a hill, our community offers a tranquil lifestyle without compromising on essential amenities. Imagine living in a place where many families have already found their dream home, with robust infrastructural development like reliable electricity, efficient drainage, a good road network, a state-of-art water treatment plant, and a top-notch security. We prioritize your comfort and safety. Our estate boasts the prestigious FCDA Certificate of Occupancy, ensuring your investment is both secured and promising. The certificate is a testament to the quality and legitimacy of our development. Whether you are looking for a cozy 350 square meter plot, a spacious 2,000 square meter lot, or even several hectares to develop your own mini estate, we have options to suit every vision. Now, for a limited time, take advantage of our special offer. Secure your plot at an incredible 20% discount, only 300,000 per square meter, down from 375,000. Located in close proximity to major landmarks like NTA, Koza Church Headquarters, Federal SARS, Channel Television, Paradise Hill, and many more. Our estate ensures you are never far from where you need to be, including HMedis also. Do not miss this opportunity to invest in a peaceful, well-equipped community that offers both serenity and convenience. Contact us today to learn more and secure your piece of paradise in Asokore Extension, Guzape. Your dream home awaits you.